Hey, what's up world? What's up 7 Cups family? I hope you guys are enjoying quarantine as much as possible and making use of the time that we do have because the present is so precious is what I'm learning. Anyways, so during this quarantine time, I know that a lot of us are being forced to do home haircuts and beauty treatments, and you know that I love homemade beauty treatments. So today I'm gonna try to wax my husband. Are you looking at old pictures of yourself? So I have actually never waxed my own eyebrows. I started waxing my eyebrows probably in high school, and then I switched over to threading when I was about 19 or 20. But I got this home wax kit and it looks like this. It's actually from Whole Foods is where we found it. And I thought I would have to heat up hot wax, apply it with a stick, and then put on the paper and wax it. But this one apparently, maybe it already has wax on it or some sort of sticky stuff on it. And so you just apply it and remove it is basically what it says. Okay, so this is the strips that we're using. And this is the look that we're going for. Damn. Okay, so before we get started, I just want to check out the product. So this is the box. All hair types, it says 16 strips. So because there's no wax, I want to see what, oh, okay. What is this? See what it comes with though. Okay, so are these the strips? Okay, yeah, by the way, I have nothing on my nose right now. They're completely naked, and this is a rare sight. It said 16. Is this really 16 strips? Let me see.
How much you paid for that?
I think this was like $8 or $9. Oh, okay, they're really like, whoa, trippy. So there are a bunch of sticks in here. Okay, they're super thin. Okay, so this is what we're working with. This is the before. Okay, so I actually have these little scissors and this brush that I'm going to use to first brush the hairs, and I see that there are some long ones that I can trim. Okay, so I'm going to take my first strip. So what I'm going to do is actually warm this in my hands. And then this peels apart into actually 2 strips. So the wax is in the middle, and I'm going to warm it by rubbing it between my hands. Lay it down in the direction of the hair and then rip it off in the opposite direction.
Can you say something?
Ready?
Never mind. Just rip it off.
Yep.
Sounds.
Ooh, that looks fresh already.
That's where it gets real right here.
Yeah.
We gonna make it like that or something?
No, I'm just gonna go like this. Close your eyes though. Yeah, you might want to cover your eye. Not like that. Like this. me. Looks good to me. What do you guys think?
That's it?
Yeah. Okay, it's a little red, but that's normal. Okay, so I figured out what this blue stuff was, and it is for cleanup and aftercare. So this is called azulene oil, and this is supposed to be used to clean any excess wax remaining on the skin, and also it can be applied daily to retain smoothness, prevent ingrown hair, and boost skin cell regeneration. Okay, what do you guys think compared to the inspo photo? How do you think I did? Okay. Woo! That's it, guys. I would call that a success. Let me know what you think by giving this video a thumbs up or letting me know in the comments. I will try to link the product below if I can find it online. If any of you guys want to use it, I would actually recommend it because it's not messy. You don't have to heat up your own wax. So I'll try to find it online and link it below. Also, let me know what new skills are you guys picking up and what home treatments are you learning to do either on yourself or your husband or your wife or your sibling, whoever's in the house with you. I love you guys, and until next time, just know you are worth a lifetime. Yeah.
Ew, don't show that.
Okay.
Nobody wants to see that. One night in Medina.
What? No.
One night in Jordan.
And I'm actually going to, I have this little scissors.
Sorry, can I get the other AirPod? My bad. How come this one's not turning on? Oh, here we go. Bam, back at it.
So I actually have these little scissors and this brush that I'm going
Hold
to
on,
use.
sometimes it's changed for some reason. It changed. I know what kind of video we can make.